So we went to Catholic school. Every Wednesday we got out at 11:15. So my father was there like clockwork to pick up me and my sister every Wednesday at that time. Okay? So he would take us to do a bunch of different things. Sometimes bowling, McDonald's. He even used to take us to JFK to watch the planes take off and land. And when we had Oklahoma chowder at the cafeteria. He was good. He always had something fun planned for us. So one day he picked us up and he said, today we go to Udzu Speciale. Okay? That's exciting. I love Udzu Speciale. So we have a great day as usual. Come home. My mother, com'era? How was it? Asking me and my sister, how was it? Talking about the special zoo. What animals did you see? Horses. Oh, nice. What else did you see? Did you see tigers? No. Oh, did you see maybe like a monkey? Were there men sitting on these horses? Were there a bunch of guys cursing and throwing tickets on the floor? She looks at my father. O special zoo was the racetrack. All right. And of course, he never helped himself. Because he said, hey, they want to see animale, take it to see animale. She goes, yeah, animale. And those are not even including the horses. That man was always in trouble. All right, we'll talk.